In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and disable system compatibility issues in Adobe After Effects. If you're seeing warnings when After Effects starts, the goal is to address the real causes first, then turn off the reminder once you're confident everything is set up correctly. We'll start with your graphics drivers, move on to updating After Effects itself, quickly confirm your computer meets Adobe's requirements, then disable the report so it doesn't pop up every time. Finally, we'll relaunch the app to lock everything in. Begin by updating your GPU drivers. Go directly to the official website for your graphics card, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Using the manufacturer's site ensures you're getting the newest, fully tested version rather than a generic driver. Find your exact GPU model and download the latest driver that matches your operating system. If there's a choice between game-focused and creator-focused drivers, pick the one recommended for creative applications. Run the installer and let it complete. Updated drivers improve stability, hardware acceleration, and compatibility with the latest After Effects features. Next, update After Effects to the newest version. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and look for updates to After Effects. Install the latest available version so you benefit from bug fixes, performance improvements, and updated hardware support. Keeping the app current often resolves the very issues that trigger compatibility warnings. Now check system requirements. Visit Adobe's official system requirements page for your specific After Effects version and make sure your operating system, RAM, and GPU meet or exceed what's listed. Pay attention to the amount of RAM recommended, not just the minimum, and confirm that your GPU and its VRAM are supported for hardware acceleration. If you're on an older OS or limited memory, you may experience warnings or reduced performance. Knowing where you stand helps set expectations and guides future upgrades. Once you've updated and verified your setup, you can turn off the report so it doesn't interrupt you at startup. In After Effects, open Preferences, then go to Startup and Repair, and uncheck Show System Compatibility Issues. This won't hide real problems if something critical is missing, it simply stops the automatic reminder after you've taken care of the essentials. To finish, restart After Effects. Close the application and relaunch it so the updates and preference changes take effect. You should now have a clean start without the compatibility prompt, along with the stability and performance benefits of current drivers.